Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to sign out of your Discord account on a MacBook, it's actually very simple and only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your MacBook. Once it's open, look at the bottom left corner where you'll see your profile picture and username. Next, click on the little gear icon, which is basically the user settings. Now scroll down in the left sidebar until find the option called Logout. Just click on it and Discord will ask you to confirm your action. Go ahead and confirm it. And that's it. You are now successfully signed out of your Discord account on your MacBook. If you want, you can always log back in anytime using your email and password.